An all-party meeting was called by the Meghalaya government today to review the current situation in the state of Meghalaya, especially after the incident of Unkro village, where the situation took an ugly turn followed by protest and sporadic violence in many parts of the state. The meeting was attended by almost all the political parties. Talking to media persons after the meeting, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma thanked all the party leaders who have attended the meeting and said that the agenda of the meeting was to brief all the respective party leaders on the events that took place in the past week and the different types of steps taken by the state government. He further added that tomorrow the cabinet will finalize the different areas where BOPs will be set up, and the government will be putting up BOPs in these sensitive areas and will ensure that full manpower, full infrastructure and whatever is necessary. Meanwhile, the internet services were restored in all 7 districts of the state today morning.
In this regard,
see, the entire thought process of resolving the border issue has been because of these atrocities and because of the fact that people living in the border areas have been suffering, and a lot of atrocities have taken place. And that's the reason why we felt and we realized that the border solution is the only way to make sure that this is put at a stop once and for all. And hence, very aggressively, we started, doing this exercise and moving forward. And while we did that, the Assam government and the Meghalaya government have been closely coordinating to ensure that any kind of small tensions that come up should be resolved quickly and it should not be allowed to escalate into any level.
In a major political development, the 3